What's up, everybody? Frank here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install KODI 17.6 onto your Amazon Fire Stick. I'm going to show you how to install it from the beginning to the end. If you have a brand new Fire Stick, make sure you install it. Make sure you add your Amazon account. Make sure you add your credit card or debit card, or it won't let you install some things that you need to install everything on your Amazon Fire Stick. It won't charge you anything. So make sure once you get to this screen, the home screen, then follow along. Make sure you also check out the VPNs in the description. And once we finish installing KODI, I'm gonna show you how to add a build onto your Fire Stick. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you wanna do, scroll all the way to the right from the home screen to the settings. You wanna click on settings, and then you wanna scroll down. You wanna scroll over to the right to device, click on device. Next, you wanna click on developer options. Next thing you wanna do is turn on ADB debugging. Also, you want to turn on apps from unknown sources. If you have an Amazon, and click on turn on. If you have an Amazon Fire TV, it'll have another selection. You want to turn that on as well. And once you do that, hit back on your remote or hit the home button. Then we're going to come over to the search icon on the left hand side of your screen. What you can do with your Amazon remote is click on the voice button, downloader, and it's going to automatically bring you to the downloader app. You can also type it in as well. It's just spelled just like you see it on the screen, the orange application. So we're going to click on downloader. Next, we want to do is click on download. Like I said at the beginning, you have to have a credit card or debit card linked to your Amazon account, or it won't let you install some of these applications. So make sure you do that first. It won't charge you anything. Just have it linked to your account. So once it finishes downloading, you want to click on open. And then you want to click on OK. Next, we're going to click on the URL. And then we're going to type in the URL for KODI. Now once you type it in, you want to click on go. It's going to download. It's about 87 megabytes. Now once you get to this screen, you want to click on install. So at this point, you're installing KODI 17.6 onto your Amazon Fire Stick. Once that finishes, you want to click on open. Another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Indominus build, Fury Reborn. It's going to have all live TV, free TV shows, movies, everything you could think of, from the kids to live TV and pay-per-view, everything. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm going to show you how to install it onto your Amazon Fire Stick or whatever Android device that you're using. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not going to waste too much of your time. So as you can see, with the build already being installed, it has all these movies, everything laid out for you. If you come down to the movies and the widgets, it gives you a description of whatever you want to watch right here. Most popular movies that are out currently, they'll show you down here. As you can see, if we want to watch, let's say, now let's say a movie just came out and it's too new. It may not work. You may get a cam or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and try and play this first movie right here with a widget, Black Panther. You can see the description. You can see the rating of the movie. Once you click on the widget, it's going to start loading up different resolutions. Now, by how many different load ups you get will tell you if the movie will be good or if it won't work for you. Now, if I use the widget, it automatically uses incursion add-on. Now, you know my favorite is placenta, but since this is what it gave me, it should work. As you can see, we have 9, 720, and we have 15 SD. So we have a few selections that we can choose from. So we're going to let it load up and see what happens once it finishes. Now, if you're impatient, you want to get to your show really fast, you just hit cancel and it'll automatically do it for you. So what I like to do is click on the first one, because usually the best resolution at the top. It's going to load up. Now, if it doesn't work, go to the second provider, the third provider that shows the date, the time of the movie, and it starts. Movie, everything. You can add different things up here if you want it. The widget's down at the bottom. Now, let's say at the top, you're at movies. Now you want to go to, sorry about that. Now you want to go to, let's click on movies and see where it takes us. Now it takes us to all the, it just takes us straight to all the movies, all right? Now if I click on a movie from here, then it should show me, it's possibly going to show me the add-ons to choose from. Right here, as you can see, right here, we got the add-ons in the middle row. As you see me moving left to right, we have Placenta, Oculus, Incursion, Sub-Zero. So I'm gonna click on Placenta, but we're still looking for Zootopia, the movie, but we're gonna choose which add-on we wanna play it through. All right, so now it's gonna start loading up automatically through Placenta. We're gonna give it time to load up. As you can see, we got some 1080p, we got some 720. Now, depending on the TV that you're using, whatever, you can choose whichever resolution that you want to use. The bigger the resolution, of course, the slower it may be. So as you can see, like at the top, we have 1080, 1080, then 720, 720, 720 Blu-ray. Let's click on the 720. We're gonna see how that works for us. So as you can see, it's going to multiple different providers because the ones I chose didn't work. It's at 13, 14. So it's gonna finally go to one that finally works eventually. If not, I should have started from the top. See, you can see everything about the movie, how much it made, how much it grossed, budget, when it was released, the time of the movie, and the ratings. This is big right here to let you know if it's a good movie. But, you know, even if it's not, it's still, you may like it regardless. So that is taking too long to play. So I'm going to go back and try again. It was supposed to be from Placenta anyways, but we're going to try again. So it's not showing me Placenta. It's going straight to Incursion, which is fine. So I'm going to click on the one at the top, which I should have did initially. See, now when you click at the one at the top, it's usually the best one out of all the providers. So this one, they played, you go. All right, now you can do the same thing for all these. Now I'm going to hit the back button to go back to the main screen. Now you can also search by actors, browse by year, movies. If you want to browse by year, click on the year. Then we can go to 2017, which all these movies should play. The further you go back, the better quality, the better DVDs they have, everything of that nature. Now I want to just click on any movie, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. It's going to load up. As you can see, Incursion is probably the best add-on for this build, the priority, the one of choice for them. So we're going to give it time to load up all these resolutions. All right, we got some 720, we got some 1080s, everything. So give it time to load up. Don't be in a rush. Click on the first one at the top and see what happens. It should work. Taking a little extra time, which is perfectly fine. Sometimes you got to be patient. If it doesn't work, it'll throw you out. Just choose the next provider as a number 2 X movies. Maybe. Or it didn't. That's fine. Now Now, sometimes it doesn't work, which is perfectly fine. You can just go to a different movie or a different provider. I'm going to go ahead and go to the TV shows because those will take extra. Now, TV shows takes a few extra steps. If you want to watch, let's say, Grey's Anatomy, you can get the description. We can scroll all the way to the end, to the current season, which is season 14. We can go to any episode we want to go to, click on the episode. And then it's going to start loading the providers for that episode. So give it time. 2 SD cards. We got a few. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rush it, hit cancel. It's gonna pop up what it's already loaded. I'm gonna click on the first one. Go ahead and play just like that. TV shows, that's how it works for TV shows. Don't work, like some stuff that people never heard of. People always ask me, just hit search and type it in and you'll be able to find it. I'm gonna show you how to watch one more TV show. Let's see if we can do, let's use Placenta. I had trouble a second ago. So I'm gonna go to most popular. And Placenta is a spinoff of Covenant and Exodus. They just keep on making different names. Now, same thing, TV shows in order of most popular. Let's go to Riverdale. Heard it's pretty good. I've never seen it. Season 2. Episode 2. And it's going to load up right here. All right, as you can see, we have a lot of SD. We really don't have any 720, which is okay. So we're going to go ahead and hit cancel. Since we have so many SD, we want to go ahead and get the ball rolling. Click on the first one. It's going to load up. It's going through multiple different SD. Think about SD. Sometimes they don't have any. You have to go through more of them to get the one that you want to work. We're going to let it keep going and see what happens. Loading up, almost done. Almost there.
Previously.
And it worked. Okay. So it took a little longer than usual. But it still worked. So that's all we care about. It still worked. Now let's go to live TV. Now as you know, live TV, Mobdro is a APK, right? You can install this onto your Fire Stick and it works much better. But you can do the same thing. If you want to watch sports, go to sports. It's gonna take you to sports. All these, whatever this is, different channels of sports. But I think a game is on right now, NBA Finals. So I think it's on TNT. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back. Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me go to Mobdro again. I wanna go back, but sometimes it's kind of difficult. Let me go back. Now let me go to channels. I know it's on TNT, I believe. So let's see if we can find TNT. Looks like it's in alphabetical order. That's no fun. So anyways, like I said, if you're still watching the video, make sure you check out the description for other videos that can help you and make your Fire Stick very good. I have multiple videos. I have videos to show you how to get back to the blue screen. Also, check out the VPNs. You got to get one. You got to protect your streaming. You got to protect it. It works really good. Check my advice. I have it. Never had any issues with streaming or watching TV shows on there. So make sure you get it. It's IP Vanish. It's in the description. You'll enjoy it. All right, so we're almost to the T's. TNT USA. Let's see if it'll play. Oh, they're scrolling. It better play, right? So as you can see, it's about to. It's live. If you check TNT right away, just like that. So that live TV works, sports work. You got sports channels. You got a sports section as well. It'll also take you to sports channels. Now I want to show you fitness. So this day and age, everybody's working out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this fitness. Now we only got 2 choices: fitness DVDs and men and women fitness. Click on fitness DVDs. See what it gives us. Insanity. Let's do Insanity Part 1, Dig Deeper. It's free.
Welcome to Insanity.
You can't beat it. You got everything all in one in this build. You can't beat it at all. So that's there. I can go through multiple others. That's Insanity. The other ones, Asylum, Jillian Michaels. She looks great. It says we have a problem. I don't know what that means, but it's no reason you should be wasting money on cable. You can have cable as a backup. I'm gonna also show another video that shows you how to get cheap type of cable. It's not cable, but it's cheap and it's really good. I'm gonna show you in the upcoming days. You got a kids section, you got a horror section, urban, everything all in one. So like I said, this is the Fury Reborn. It's updated. It comes with everything. Make sure you check it out. Like I said, if this video did not work for you, if it didn't work, make sure you go to my channel. All right, there's multiple videos on there that'll help you out. Not all video works for everybody, so you have to check them out. You have to use different ones and things of that nature. Okay. So if you have any questions, leave me comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm gonna now show you how to install. The build onto your Fire Stick. So make sure you stay tuned, follow along, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is come over to the top left-hand corner of your screen and click on this setting screw. We're installing Fury Reborn once again. All right, next you want to come over to the right to System Settings and click on that. Next you want to come down to Add-ons and then come over to Show Notification. Turn on Show Notifications. Also turn on Unknown Sources. It's going to prompt you with a warning. Hit yes. Both of these should be white on the right hand side and should say Install Updates Automatically. Once you do that, hit back. Come down to File Manager and click on that. Next you want to come down to Add Source on the left hand side and click on that. You want to click on None. This is where we're going to type in the URL for the Indominus build. All right, make sure you type it in just like that, no mistakes. Get all the punctuations correct and hit OK. You can name it whatever you want. You can leave it as Wizard. You can put .Fury. It's up to you. The name really doesn't matter. Next, hit OK. Once the screen looks like this, you're good to go. Pause the screen if you need to. Hit OK. Let's check and see if we did it right. Click on .Fury. And if we get this pop-up, we're good to go. All right, so let's hit back again. Come down here to add-ons right here. Click on add-ons. Also click on this installation box. The next thing you want to do is click on install from zip file right here. It's going to pop up the screen. You want to click on .Fury or whatever you named it. And then we're going to click on plugin program Indominus Wizard. It's going to take some time to load up. Once again, I'm checking the description for a VPN. IP Vanish is good for your IP address and your internet. If you are streaming live, make sure you check it out. Very good discounts for those. All right, so once we get this pop-up, it's very quick. It's going to automatically pop up this screen. Hit continue. It should pop up another screen, which is build menu. Click that. It's going to take us to the screen that we need to get to. All right, as you can see, KODI 17.6, Fury Reborn version 1.2. Now this version can change with how far, it depends on whether you this video or whatever this build. All right, so let's click on Fury Reborn. All right, next we want to click on Fresh Install and click on Continue. And it's gonna load up depending on how fast your internet is. Mine is going super fast today. It's random. The size of the megabytes is 188, which is awesome for your Fire Stick. You can have multiple things on your Fire Stick. Check out my channel for other videos to see what else you can add to your Fire Stick along with KODI. There are multiple different things you can have, like Prefix, Terrarium, Mobdro, all on your Fire Stick at once, and you will never miss a show, pay-per-view, live TV again. All right, once we get to this screen, we're gonna hit force close. We're gonna open KODI right back up. Now, if you are unable to force close it, what you want to do is unplug your Fire Stick and then plug it back in. That also helps. Or you can go to the main screen on your Fire Stick, go to applications and find KODI and hit force close, and then open it back up and you'll be good to go. So once you get the build onto your system, you want to wait about 2 to 3 minutes to let it download everything that it needs. Give it 2 or 3 minutes. Don't be in a rush. If you're at this point already, that means you're pretty much good to go. Everything is working smoothly. Everything is excellent. So, like I said, this is the Fury Reborn. It has been working pretty good on Amazon Fire Stick, where it's good for KODI. As you can see, it's updating all the add-ons right here, all the multiple add-ons that you need. At this point, if you have it onto your system, you should be good to go. If this build did not work for you, check out my channel. Download other builds or multiple different builds that all work to do the same thing. You know, so don't get discouraged if one build doesn't work. There's multiple builds that you can choose from. All right, so like I said, this is the Indominus build. This is Fury Reborn for KODI 17.6. If you had any trouble, leave me a comment. Even if it worked well for you, let me know as well. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe as well. I'll continue to make y'all videos, and we're still waiting on KODI 18 to come out. It's still in the alpha stage, so we're going to keep on waiting for that. So thank y'all for watching, and I appreciate y'all, and see y'all again soon.